Which vacuum is actually good for high-pile carpet? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit to get the real answer. Today, we're breaking down the best options that can tackle those fluffy carpets without a hitch. Product number 1, Shark Upright Vacuum NV501. First up is the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner, the NV501. Priced at $219.99, this vacuum really caught my eye with its lift-away functionality. If you want a vacuum that can handle high-pile carpets while also being easy to maneuver, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lift-away feature lets you detach the pod to clean under furniture or take it to other areas like stairs or upholstery. The 10 amps of power provides strong suction that penetrates deep into those plush carpets, effectively pulling out embedded dirt and pet hair. Plus, its HEPA filter ensures that 99.9% of allergens stay trapped inside, which is a big deal if you or anyone in your household has allergies. The advanced swivel steering makes it easy to navigate around furniture, and the LED headlights light up hidden debris, giving you peace of mind that you won't miss a spot. Now, some people complained about its weight. At around 14 pounds, it's not the lightest option out there. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on powerful performance for high-pile carpets, this is a small trade-off. It's still manageable for most users. This is perfect for you if you have multiple surfaces to clean, especially if you have pets. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight for quick cleanups. For the performance you get, it's a solid investment. Product number 2, Eureka Power Speed. Next, we have the Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum, priced at just $69.99. This vacuum really surprised me with its powerful pickup capabilities. If you're looking for something budget-friendly that still does a decent job on high-pile carpets, give this one a serious look. With 5 height settings, it adjusts easily between carpet and hard floors, ensuring you're getting the best clean possible without any scratches on your hardwood. Weighing only 10 pounds, it's easy to move around the house, and it comes with a bunch of tools like a dusting brush and crevice tool to help you tackle tricky spots. Now, some users reported that the floor brush can get clogged with hair if not maintained regularly. I'll be real with you, if you have pets, you might find yourself cleaning the roller brush more often than you'd like. But for the price, its performance makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight vacuum that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or don't want to deal with some maintenance. Product number 3, Eureka NEU10i5. The third option is another Eureka model, the NEU10i5, also priced at $69.99. This one is all about versatility. If you want a vacuum that can handle both high-pile carpets and hard floors, this could be the perfect fit. What's impressive here is its 10.5-inch wide cleaning path that makes quick work of larger areas. The powerful suction extracts dirt and hair easily, and it's super lightweight at just 7.7 pounds, meaning you can carry it around without feeling fatigued. It also features a quick release handle, making it easy to switch from floor cleaning to above-floor spots like curtains or furniture with just one click. With a washable filter, you can save money on replacements while keeping your home eco-friendly. However, some users mentioned that the suction could be a bit inconsistent on very high-pile carpets. But honestly, at this price point, it does a great job on most surfaces, so it's not a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something lightweight and easy to store. Skip this if you're looking for a high-powered vacuum for extensive deep cleaning. Product number 4, Shark Rocket HV301. Coming in at $99.98, the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Vacuum is next on the list. It's a corded vacuum that's incredibly lightweight, which caught my attention right away. If you need something that's easy to handle and can switch between surfaces, this could be your go-to. What makes it stand out is its versatility. It converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld option, allowing you to clean everything from high-pile carpets to ceiling fans. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's designed for easy maneuverability. The fingertip controls let you switch between surfaces seamlessly, which is great if you have different types of flooring. Plus, the easy empty dust cup saves you time and hassle during cleanups. Now some reviews mention that the corded design can be a bit restrictive in larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind staying plugged in while cleaning, the performance you get is excellent, particularly on carpets. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight vacuum with great versatility. Skip this if you're looking for a cordless option or if you have a very large home that requires a lot of movement. Product number 5, Kenmore Intuition. Last but not least, we have the Kenmore Intuition priced at $154.80. This bagged vacuum takes a different approach with its lift-up feature. If you appreciate powerful suction and a hands-free operation, this one might be worth considering. Why is this important? The lift-up feature allows you to clean above floors effortlessly, which is great for stairs and upholstery. The HEPA filtration system captures allergens effectively, which is a must-have for allergy sufferers. Additionally, the LED headlights help illuminate hidden dirt, making sure you don't miss a thing. However, some people noted that the bags need to be replaced regularly, which could be a hassle. But honestly, the convenience of no-touch bag technology makes it an easy trade-off for a lot of folks. This is perfect for you if you want consistent suction and don't mind using bags. Skip this if you prefer the ease of a bagless vacuum. So to wrap it all up, if you're looking for the best vacuums for high-pile carpets, the Shark NV501 offers powerful performance, while the Eureka Power Speed gives you budget-friendly efficiency. The Eureka NEU10i5 is lightweight and versatile. The Shark Rocket is great for those who want flexibility, and the Kenmore Intuition provides hands-free convenience. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.